Extensive testing and design input from Ricky Carmichael, Bryne and Nathan Ramsey. Molded from lightweight, durable nylon and using a dual injection molding process, the Uniko is a major step forward in MX handguards. The universal plastic mount kit, provided, makes mounting the Uniko to the handlebars painless, so you spend your time on the track, not in the garage. Nylon mount kit included. Acerbis Uniko Blue Vented Handguard is effective, very durable, and looks great. The Vented Uniko features a large vent to direct airflow past the levers. Top reviews from the United States. Acerbis Uniko White Vented Handguards. These handguards are very sharp looking and appear just as they do in the advertisement. I was very happy with the price I received them for as well as the shipping time. They were very easy to assemble as well as mount on the motorcycle. Overall, they provided a great look and I was very happy with my purchase. Remind you, they are plastic and are not backed with a steel plate or bar, so they are not the most durable guards. But, they get the job done and look good. I would definitely suggest this product to someone else.